Welcome to a new video, and yeah, I just thought I'd do a quick one for the former police station, because the demolition work starts tomorrow on the former police station here in Blackpool. So I'll wait till I'm down here and I'll show you the area that they're going to be demolishing. Yeah, so once I've got down here, I'm taking my time. So I'm going downhill at the moment. Now, I don't think that car park will be no more, because they've obviously got the multi-story. But just over there, yeah, you can see where the snow's not really been touched. Yeah, so this is going. But I can't really. I can get in there, but I'm not going to risk it because it's off off for a reason. So you got all this going. This car park, that's going as well. I think it's all the concrete that was on the news about it all crumbling. So yeah, this will be going. I'm not sure whether it'll be a controlled explosion, which I highly doubt it. I imagine they'll probably just get wrecking balls in or something, or diggers, and pull it down that way. Yeah, I think they're trying to do it before the height of the season, before the season kicks in. Oh, it's gone dry now, typical. Yeah, you got the £1 burger, just that's the rear entrance, just there. Burgers, £1. He's not opening up till, I'm sure he said February or March. Well, you got something going on, sounds like bingo or something. You got all that going. I suppose that people haven't been trying to climb up into that. Yeah, that big building there, that's the former police station. That's going to be getting pulled down. So yeah, demolition day is upon us. So one things that'll be a shame to see it go, because it's a historic landmark. Been there for years, you're used to seeing it, now they're pulling it down. I imagine this stairway is going to end up going. So they'll probably end up clearing this road whilst they're doing it. Yeah, we've got that stairway up in there for some reason. Yeah, all that Not sure who that person was then. Mask his face over. Yeah, well, that's getting that down. Posted up there, smash window. So yeah, if you enjoyed that video, hit the like button, hit subscribe, ding dong that notification bell. I'll catch you all in the next video. And any demolition updates I'll keep on top of.